Hi everyone, Nadia here from Oxigo. If you or someone you know struggles with sleep apnea or breathing issues at night, you probably know how important a good CPAP machine is. But what if I told you there's a tiny, super portable device that can help you sleep better even when you're on the go? Meet the ResMed AirMini, one of the smallest CPAP machines in the world. And I will show you how it works, why it's so special, and how easy it is to use. So, if you're new to CPAP or just curious, stick around because this video is made just for you. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow Oxigo on social media. We share weekly tips to help you get the most out of your CPAP and oxygen therapy. So, let's start with the basics. The ResMed AirMini is a portable CPAP machine. CPAP means continuous positive airway pressure, and it helps keep your airways open while you sleep, so you don't stop breathing. But what makes it special? It's perfect if you travel a lot or you want something easy to carry. Who should use it? Mainly people with obstructive sleep apnea who often snore or have trouble breathing regularly during the night. The machine helps prevent those pauses in breathing, improving your sleep and your overall health. The AirMini works by pushing air into your airways at a certain pressure to keep them open. It connects to a mask, which can be a nasal mask or nasal pillow mask. Both are very comfortable. The machine turns on automatically when you start breathing and adjusts the pressure based on your needs. One thing that I really like about this CPAP machine is the design. It's small, it's lightweight, you can easily put in your suitcase or even in your bag, and it's definitely perfect for travels or anyone who doesn't want a big machine next to their bed. Now let's see how to use it. It's really simple. First off, connect the hose to the machine and to the mask. Then put on the mask and adjust it so it's comfortable but not too tight. Turn on the machine. It will start automatically when you begin to breathe. And remember that the AirMini also connects to a smartphone app so you can track your sleep and the pressure data. Here are some practical tips for first-time users. Take your time to find the right mask. Clean the machine and mask regularly to avoid buzz masks or infections. It might feel strange at first, but you will get used to it, and always talk to your doctor to make sure your pressure settings are correct. Remember that the AirMini only works with compatible ResMed AirMini hose and ResMed mask. These masks are equipped with a waterless humidifier for extra comfort, which are the Humidex or the Humidex Plus. This humidifier helps you to find the right humidification level, and you don't have to carry a humidification chamber and distilled water with you. Humidex is the standard version, and Humidex Plus is recommended with low humidity levels, for example at high altitude. They are standard included with some ResMed masks, but can also be purchased separately. Thanks to the Smart Start function, the therapy starts when you put on your CPAP mask, and thanks to the Smart Stop, the therapy stops when you take off your mask. Also, there is an optional battery pack if you want to use it when there is no electricity. The Medicine Pilot 24 Lite and the Medicine Pilot Flex batteries are ideal for this. We have a full unboxing and walkthrough of the Medicine Pilot Flex on our YouTube channel, and it can help you decide if it's the right fit for your setup. To sum up, the ResMed AirMini is a great choice if you need a CPAP machine but you want something small, light and easy to carry. If you have sleep apnea or you need a portable CPAP, this could be perfect for you. If you want to learn more, visit our website oxigo.co, and if you like this video, please share, like, subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on social media. All the links are down below in the description. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next video.